Good evening, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with identities questions. I will solve here some identities question. So let's go to the board and see how I am solving, how I solve, and how you will solve this question. See, this is very important question for the board examination view. This is a really very important question. Now the question is this one. Tan A plus sec A minus 1 divided by tan A minus sec A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. This is the question. We have to prove this one. So here I will tell you that 4 or 6 types of questions are very important for the board examination. So you need to do that, revise or solve all 6 questions of such types. It will be you will get this either in NCERT book or example of RS Agarwal book. See how I am solving this. First we need to this one, as we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we will use this concept here for this one. For this one we will use this concept and try to convert. Second most thing is that 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, or you can say sec A divided plus tan A, or you can say 1 divided by sec minus A, sec A minus tan A, all are equal. आपको ये बात पता होना चाहिए कि कोई भी दो चीज़ों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर 1 होता है, इफ मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 is 1, then 1 is the reciprocals of other. We can write A is equal to 1 by B or B is equal to 1 by A. See this one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We can write this one, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. This one here the product of 2 is 1, so we can say that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec A minus tan A. No need to do the rationalization process, no need to go rationalization process, just write this one, sec theta minus tan A, you can write 1 by sec A plus tan A. This is the concept. So here अगर हम लोग ये प्रूव कर दे या ये प्रूव कर दे तो ये हम लोगों का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. इसके बदले अगर ये भी प्रूव हो जाए, ये भी प्रूव हो जाए, या ये प्रूव कर दे तो ये दोनों प्रूव हो जाएगा. इसमें कहीं पर से कोई दो राय नहीं है. तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं कैसे प्रूव करेंगे. See this one, LHS tan A plus sec A minus 1 divided by tan A minus sec A plus 1. We can convert either this one or this one into sec square minus tan square. So as per your convenience you can convert any one. I am converting the above one, so I will write for one this one, sec square A minus tan square A. किसी एक को ही चेंज करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर या न्यूमरेटर में से किसी एक को ही चेंज करेंगे. Now here the concept of A square minus B square will apply, so it will be written as tan A plus sec A minus sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A divided by tan A minus sec A plus 1. What is this? You need to remove this bracket and take out some common things. See this one. This one will be common in both. So first I will write 1, then I will take the common. So I will take common sec a plus tan a. So I will take common sec a plus tan a. Now here 1 will be left, minus, here minus is there, this one will be left, so we will change the sign of this one. So first I will write minus sec a, then I will write plus tan a divided by denominator, that is tan a minus sec a plus 1. This one and this one will be removed. So the process is, left term is sec a plus tan a. As we know that I have earlier told you at the initial of this video that you can write sec a, this one you can write sec a plus tan a, or you can write 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, or you can write 1 by sec a minus tan a, all are equal. So here it is proved. So this is the process. You can solve this question. Try to get all the 5 question of this types solved in your copy. See how you are solving and learn the things and relate and memorize the thing, so that when the board has asked such types of question, you will be able to solve all such types of question. See the second question of this one. Prove that 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta is equal to 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. Here, if you will apply this rule, easily you will solve these types of question. The product of 2 is the product of 2. As we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We can write this one, cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Here the product of 2 is 1, so 1 will be reciprocal the other. So we can write either cosec theta, either for this one cosec theta minus cot theta, we can write 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta, no need to go the rationalization process, or we can write cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. No need to go rationalization process, just write. देखिए here इसके बदले हम इतना लिख सकते हैं, इसके बदले हम इतना लिख सकते हैं, तो हम लोग उसी को काम करेंगे. बस सिर्फ ये कॉन्सेप्ट को ध्यान में रखना है क्या कि if product of 2 is 1, then 1 will be the reciprocal of other. So see this one. First I will write the LHS 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta. So for this we will write cosec theta minus cot theta, as we know that 1 by sin theta will be cosec theta. Okay, now cosec theta will be removed, so it will be minus cot theta. Again RHS 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. For this one we will write 1 by sin theta minus cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, 1 by sin theta will be written as cosec theta. Again remove the bracket, it will be minus cosec theta minus cot theta. Cosec is removed, it is minus cot theta. So LHS is equal to RHS. So here we can write LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this is the proof of this question. You can prove these types of question. You can prove, I am writing the question and you can prove this question by this method it will be easy for you to solve such types of question. See, and this is really very important question as per the board examination. The question is this one. Practice in your home. Question is this one. 1 by sec theta minus tan theta minus 1 by cos theta is equal to 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. This is the question. You can practice this question at your home. Till that, have a good day. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for supporting me. Have a good day. Take a good care of yourself. God bless you. Thank you.